pilot. In 1912, the world witnessed the birth of the largest and most luxurious ship ever built.
The RMS Titanic was considered a masterpiece of engineering and luxury.
Many believed that this magnificent ship was practically unsinkable.
Inside, passengers experienced a level of luxury never seen before on a ship. From grand dining halls to elegant lounges, every detail reflected wealth and prestige. For many aboard, the voyage felt like a dream come true, a journey toward a brighter future. Day after day, the Titanic continued its journey across the vast Atlantic Ocean. Passengers spent their days relaxing, socializing, and enjoying the comfort of the world's most luxurious ship. Everything seemed perfect. The ocean was calm, and the future looked bright. But as darkness fell on April 14, 1912, the fate of the Titanic was about to change forever. Throughout the day, Titanic received several warnings about dangerous icebergs ahead. Officers were aware of the reports, but the ship continued toward New York. High above the deck, lookouts carefully searched the darkness for signs of danger. Then, just before midnight, a shadow appeared in the darkness ahead. Suddenly, the lookouts saw what they feared most: an iceberg directly ahead. The warning bell rang across the ship as officers were alerted immediately. The crew ordered an emergency turn, hoping to avoid disaster at the very last second. But the iceberg was too close, and time was running out. At 11:40 p.m., the Titanic struck the iceberg. The collision seemed minor on the surface, but beneath the waterline, the damage was catastrophic. Water began flooding compartment after compartment. Engineers quickly reached a terrifying conclusion. The Titanic was doomed. The greatest ship ever built would not survive the night.